Hi, this is Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1. First, let me tell you I saw actual images of Kavi Sharma. I'm not going to post them here since Mattel lawyers last year were absolutely crazy. You can go to my Instagram, I made a post about it. I described what the doll looks like and provided a visual guide. If you want to see what she looks like, come back to my channel this Saturday. We're going to draw her from memory. And Mattel doesn't own any rights to an image that somebody else creates, so you'll be able to see what she looks like. I made a similar video for Corinne last year. I'll put the link to that video in the description, so you can judge how similar the drawing is to the actual doll. Anyway, if that's something you'd like to see, come back to my channel this Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Target's having a sale on toys right now, and they just dropped a bunch of new 18-inch doll stuff. Let's talk about this in this video. And by the way, if you're new to my channel and interested in all things American Girl but not yet subscribed, please do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. I usually post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes I post on other days as well. I always post the latest American Girl news and leaks. I also post crafts and unboxing. Now you can get $10 off a $50 toy purchase, or you could get $25 off of a $100 toy purchase. This discount doesn't automatically apply. You have to save this offer on the app. I think this is a pretty good deal. All our generation stuff is included. You can see in the fine print what's excluded. None of it is our generation. By the way, you can buy other toys and still use a discount. This is a great opportunity to get our generation toys, which are already kind of cheap. And on top of that, Target just released a bunch of new sets. I'm going to show you how to find them. First, type our generation in the search window. Press enter. Now go to filter and select sort by newest. You have to go back to the filter again and press brand. Here you need to check our generation. And now you'll see all the newest Our Generation sets. First, I'm going to show you the highly anticipated greenhouse set. We saw these images 3 or 4 years ago. It was even in the printouts that came out in other Our Generation sets, but nobody's seen it in real life. I don't know what the problem was. Maybe the factories couldn't produce it, but now it's available for purchase. I think it's such an adorable set. The set is called Room to Grow Greenhouse Accessory Set, and it retails at $130. With $25 off, you can get it for $105 right now. I already said this set was highly anticipated. In my opinion, it's pretty unique, and it's pretty detailed as well. Absolutely amazing for the price. Look, it even comes with a garden hose. The rose bush lights up. How awesome is that? Another new set that showed up on Target website is Perfectly Fresh Mini Fridge and Play Food Accessory Set. It retails at $40. Look how cute this refrigerator is. It reminds me so much of Mary Ellen's refrigerator, except it's much cheaper. Look at all the food you get with this set. It's really nice and realistic enough. The one thing it's missing is a freezer, but I still think it's a fabulous playset. Another new set's called Chip Chip Hooray Cookie Scooter Accessory Set. It retails at $70. I can't get over how cute this is. It comes with a bunch of cookies and other pastries. It even has cookie stands. It also comes with 2 drink dispensers. I think this is such a cute set. Look how many food items come in this set. This is very impressive. Our generation is doing a great job with it. Our generation also made this car. It looks like a Jeep to me. It retails at $37. It's not remote controlled like the American Girl car, but at this price it's still pretty amazing. I think it looks pretty fabulous. I'd like it better if it didn't have any hearts and if it wasn't purple. But I think young kids would really love this. Our generation also made this spin and serve play food set. It retails at $20. It includes a variety of different types of food. It even has a small roasted chicken or turkey. You definitely could use it as a Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner setup. I think this is a cute playset to keep all the food items in one place. But if you're like me, you have way more food items. They're definitely not going to fit in this little container. But it's a great starter food set. The next set is Supermarket Checkout Grocery Accessory Set. It retails at $18. By the way, Target already sells shopping carts, so this set would pair so well with the shopping cart. I actually have a great idea for our generation. Since in America they're sold at Target, they should make a Target shopping set. I'm pretty sure it'll be very popular. A lot of people in America are Target fans. Several new dolls showed up as well. No new molds though. This one's called Eliana. It comes as a plushie swan, and it retails at $30. The plushie swan looks more like a mini pillow though. Her face is absolutely beautiful. In case you didn't notice, she's blonde with pink streaks in her hair. I like the swan design on her sweater. So cute. Another new doll is Tiffany, and she comes with a jewelry box. Here are two more dolls with jewelry sets, Christina and Monica. I'm a big fan of Our Generation dolls. They're great starter dolls for if people don't know if their kids can take care of a more expensive doll, or for someone who can't pay over $100 for an American Girl doll. Their faces are really nice. The quality's not as good as American Girl, but you definitely get a great value for the price. This is a pediatrician doll, and she comes with a small medical set. This set retails at $30. So adorable. It even comes with a finger puppet. Here's another pediatrician doll in a darker skin tone. I love how Our Generation is so inclusive. They're doing an amazing job with diversity. They already have a Muslim doll, by the way. I made a video about their new Multicultural line. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll put the link to it in the description below. This new doll's name is Nora. She doesn't come with any accessories in the box. She's just a fashion doll. That's why she's cheaper than the pediatrician doll. Nora costs $26. This new outfit is called Perfectly Sweet Ice Cream Outfit. It retails at $13. I just love the prices for Our Generation outfits. They're so affordable compared to American Girl. Of course, the quality isn't the same. I like how the clutch looks like an ice cream cone, even though it's not shaped like an ice cream cone. This Moloch doll is new, but Our Generation already made a similar doll in a different outfit. Please let me know in the comments which one of the newly released items is your favorite. Also, let me know if you're planning to buy any of them. My favorite is definitely the greenhouse, and the cute refrigerator is a close second. I'm not sure if I'll buy the greenhouse, but I'm definitely tempted. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all things American Girl, but not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And turn on that notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. I usually post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes I post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time!